Welcome everybody to Belle's channel. Today we are at the location of Soy 112, where we are is surrounding with a lot of pineapple farm, and as well this project is quite famous because their house is lovely. How this villa gonna look like? Let's go to see with me. Right now we are entering at the entrance of this villa, where you can park 2 cars one after each other, and this parking is coming with the sunshade, which is able to flip open and close automatically, and the space is keep you very private for the part of the living. How it look like, we go to see together. Now we are entering in the house. This is the foyer entrance, where it gives you a nice welcome with the console table and nice of decoration picture. In front of the entrance there is the room, which is the laundry. In this laundry room you have it all built in already with the sink and the washing machine. In case you want the dryer, you can organize to be on top of each other. And in this room you can access to the backyard. In the back, where you can dry your clothes as well if you would like to use the sun, benefit from the sun to dry your clothes. And here we are going back to the house to see all the rooms. From the first area they have a entrance like this to enter in the living area, which you can see the first of the area is the nice L-shaped sofa coming with very huge size, which I think is fit for minimum 4 people right here, and having television in front of you with the nice decoration color. If you like a bit cozy and modern, this is the very nice design. Beside me here is the dining area, where it fits for the 6 seats right now, or you can change the chair to be 8 people as well, or you change the size of the table because you have a lot of space around. Other sides of the house, this is the part of the kitchen, where you have the islands. This also comes with the 2 stools that is sitting and having breakfast on this location. And what they do is putting the cooking stove, no, let's say it's an electric cooking table, come with the induction cooking in the middle, where you really enjoy to get your meal here and the cooking. And they have a nice island with a lot of function, having shelves and cupboard showing you how they organize it. In this kitchen you can see there is a nice space for the refrigerator here, and coming with the microwave and oven in fully function. And on this side you have the sink, and 2-channel sink is very convenient for you to wash. As well, the cupboard is very nice color with wood and black. What I like is that under of the cupboard they put light, where you can see while cooking. And here you have plenty space as well. It's come with the dishwasher inside together, and here the cooking area is quite comfortable, and you have the coffee corner you can put here or right there as well. Not just that, in this area you could access from the kitchen to the garden side. Here you can access to the garden side and the sun deck there. You have the outdoor shower just right the back of the garden. In that area you get the storage room as well and the outdoor toilet. So here we have another door to access. This is first one, and the second one is on this side, where you can get the outdoor terrace, which is have nice shadow for the whole day. This part could be connected to indoor kitchen, and you have as well outside as a barbecue area. I like this barbecue area. It's large counter. Not just that, you have sink and the electric cooking here, plus the barbecue, which is very good for you with the function of to use a gas cooking. And here they have a wardrobe, they have the cupboard for your cooking item. As well, they have electric socket, which is plugged up from here, pop up from there. On this terrace, you have a nice swimming pool view where it comes with blue color of the waters. This is very nice color, getting fresh during the day. The gardening as well is giving nice green fresh, and they have the water fountain from that location, which you can see outside of the house, having a nice mountain view right there. We will go back to see another part. Here we can see beside the swimming pool, there is also the sun deck that is facing to the nice view also. Taking the bath, sun bath, and having a shower outdoor there. Now we go back to the house. In this kitchen area on the terrace, you also have the sunshade right there. That is helping when there is the sun blocking this location to be still shadow. What I like is in the ceiling as well, they installed a fan. Here we get into the house, which is we're gonna go to see all the bedroom. In this living area, you have the quite lovely ceiling. I don't know how it's calling. You can help me to give me on comment. This ceiling is go up high in the shape like that. Plus the two ceiling air condition. Here we start from this side of the bedroom, which should be the master bedroom. When we enter, the first area is the ensuite bathroom, and this bathroom is come with a lot of space. That is also included with the double sink layer, the double sink in the counter, and big glass, big mirrors that you have quite comfortable size for the toilet and the shower right here. On other side, you have a bathtub in this bathroom, and it's very nice for you when you want to have a relaxing time. Now we are going into the bedroom area. When we get into this part, on my left is a wardrobe that is come together with the house, and you can also change the color, the design, the color of the wardrobe. What I like is the sliding door giving you a lot of space to not taking the part in the bed. Here is very wide size, and you can see it's come with the decoration of wood furniture that's making the house very cozy. Here in the room, they have also the built-in television cupboard counter, and they come with the shelf for the television too, so you have a lot of space for your store. Beside me, you have the door that you can access to the terrace. This is the front terrace, and you have outdoor sofa here. It keeps you very private to be at this location, and it's separate size from the dining table, which you can be in the morning, fresh air from your bedroom, seeing the swimming pool. In the bedroom, they're also putting the grass at that size. Let's say the wall as a glass here. At the corner, you can see outside with the swimming pool view. Continue with me with another bedroom. From the master bedroom, we have to cross to outer wings to get to other bedroom. And here we are going to start from the first one on my right. in this room is the small bedroom of the house. It's still coming with the queen size bed that's lovely in the room to keep you for guests. The wardrobe is not small neither. It's very good size, coming with the dressing table right here, and the windows is also big, so you can get nice garden view on that side, and have the ceiling fan as well. Here after they have the share bathroom with the guests. Before that, this room is the room for the storage, where you have the electric control panels here and the solar box, which is this house come with a 10 kilowatt solar panel as well. This part is the bathroom where you share with the first bedroom and the guests. Here it comes with a single sink, but space in the bathroom is lovely enough with the toilet and the shower separate with the tempered glass. This tempered glass is very thick. Here we are. Get into the third bedroom together. This bedroom also sharing the bathroom together with the second bedroom, and here is bigger size. This is the second size of the house, coming with the same dressing table and the wardrobe, all the same size for the two bedroom. Just this room have more space, and coming also what they show is a queen size bed, but they have the space that you can extend it to be king size. And especially this room you can access to the garden. Yes. From here you can get from the swimming pool to the garden and to the bed. Like that, you no need to pass into the house, the main house here. What do you think? We have seen entire house. This villa is in the project, and you can get this villa exactly like this with the fully furnished for the land of 576 square meters. That come with the one parking plot and 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. The swimming pool is 4 by 8.5. And this villa, they have the common fee, which they take care inside of your villas as well for the pool cleaning and gardening. The pool is cleaned twice a week, and the gardening is 6 days a week. That keep your garden is green and fresh. As well, they have the shuttle to the city center. The schedule you can check with me later is per time. It's about 3 to 4 times per day that you can. If you come without the car, you can reach to the city. And as well, here you have their guard and gardener around. So if you're interested in this villa, the price offering with the house, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 576 square meters of the land, and the house itself 202 square meters, come with the the solar panel of 10 kilowatt. That the price they offer with 9.9 million baht only. If this house is touched to you, I want to see it in real, just contact to me by +66 86 424 5951. This is able to call or to use it as a WhatsApp, and send me email info@belleasset.com. See you in the next video. Bye bye.